nice and creamy.
All right, let's cut a piece out for us. Hello guys, welcome to our channel,
Desi Fusion Kitchen.
Today we're going to make Nutella swirl cheesecake, and it's going to be eggless. I'm gonna be going over the ingredients with you guys, and let's begin. I'm going to go over the ingredients for the crust. You can use graham crackers. We have barley crackers that we're gonna use. So we're gonna blend all of these together with some vanilla extract. It's gonna be half a teaspoon. This is half a cup of butter melted. We use this Country Crock plant butter, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And we're just gonna all blend this in the NutriBullet. These are the ingredients we'll need for the filling of the cheesecake. We'll need room temperature 16 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature 1 cup of heavy cream, room temperature 1 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of flour, some Nutella to swirl on top, and sugar about 1 cup. You can use a little less if you don't want it as sweet. Okay, we're going to blend all the ingredients we need for the crust. So we're gonna take barley cheese, what we do is we're gonna put it in the pan. So right here I'm using a 10-inch pan. You can use a little bit smaller, and this is just a little bit wax paper that came with it so the crust doesn't fall through the sides. If there's any chunks left, you can break it up with your hand or just process it a little bit more. You're gonna flatten the crust. Okay, now we're going to do the cheesecake filling. So we're gonna take 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream. So this is half, and then this is another half. We're going to take 1 cup of the sour cream, room temperature. These are the cream cheeses. The flour. And the sugar. And we're going to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now we blend. finished, you get this creamy consistency, and it is ready to be poured over the crust that's in the fridge. We took out the crust from the fridge, and now we're going to pour the batter. Now you slowly, evenly spread it out. You want to get all the edges. You're just going to take a little bit of the Nutella that we're going to use as a swirl. Since Nutella is a thick consistency, we're just going to put it in the microwave for a few seconds. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna put little blobs of the Nutella around the cheesecake. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna swirl it anyways. If you want it more sweet, you can put more blobs. We just like it just a tad bit sweet. Now what you do is you just take up a toothpick and you kind of just go superficially and you make little swirls with the Nutella. Now all you need to do is just take the pan, just kind of tap it so all the air bubbles come out and it bakes evenly. Now we are ready to place it in the preheated oven that we had on 320. We leave it in the oven with the door open for 1 hour. We left the cheesecake overnight in the fridge, so we're gonna take it out and get a slice. Cut a piece out for us. Ready to try our creation? Nice and creamy.
You guys should try this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love it. It goes really well with strawberries.
If you like these videos, comment and like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes.
Thank you. Let's say one more thing. If you guys like this channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks.
Don't say it so seriously, like smile when you say it. Say it again.
And yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks, Eggless, for making this delicious cake. Happy birthday, Mom. This was for you. This was a dedication for you.